How to log in to HSBC Bank credit card account online. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. Without further ado, let's get started. Open up your Chrome browser and at the top search bar, type in hsbc.co.in. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now click on to log on your top right. You will land onto this section of a page. Scroll below and enter your username. If you want this site to remember your username, then go ahead and click on Remember Me. Once done, you can go ahead and click on Continue. Then you will be required to enter your password in the next page. And once you are signed in to your HSBC account, you will see an option called Credit Card. Click onto that to access your credit card. So that is how you get logged into your account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss a video from us.